ayé tótó ayé àkàmàrà Taiwo Adegbodu ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ó fàyè lẹ̀ ọ̀run rẹ̀ o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo àwọn àwo tó ti ṣe sẹ́yìn. Yorùbá Ìpìlẹ̀ TV náà ni ó dé ti ìgbọ̀nyín. Ẹ bá wa like, ẹ share, ẹ tàǹgò pélébé tó ń bọ̀ lókè kó lè mọ̀ ọmọ sí wa kò rántí.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy new month to all my subscribers. So guys, this month really started with a huge blow, like a really huge blow to the Nigerian gospel music community when we woke up to this devastating news from the Adegbodu twins. Notably, Taiwo Adegbodu, one half of the legendary duo known as the Adegbodu twins. His brother Kehinde Adegbodu announced the passing of his brother Taiwo Adegbodu on their official Facebook page on the 1st of March 2026. Kehinde wrote, "Taiwo, why will you leave me and your kids without notification? My heart is bleeding. Lord, how do you want me to cope without him? God, why? This is too much for me to bear." Fellow gospel artist Esther Igbeleke was among the first to confirm the tragic news on her Instagram page, sharing Taiwo's picture with the caption, "Erinwo Ajanako Sunbi okay, hard to bear. Good night, bro." This was the caption she posted on her Instagram page confirming the passing of Taiwo Adegbodu. Amos Taiwo and Samuel Kehinde Adegbodu weren't just brothers, they were twin souls united by an extraordinary calling. The duo formed their musical partnership way back in 1974, embarking on a journey that would span over 5 decades and touch generations of believers. Their breakthrough came in 1999 with the release of their debut album, Faratimi, which means Lean on Me in Yoruba. The album introduced the world to their unique harmonious style and their powerful ability to blend traditional Yoruba rhythms with contemporary gospel music. Over the years, the Adegbodu twins became household names in Nigeria's gospel music scene, particularly in the southwest region. Their music resonated in churches, Christian conventions, and religious gatherings across the nation. Some of their beloved tracks include Shower Your Blessing, God Concert, Emimimo, Igbabodu, Maberu, Aduramigba, and many more hit songs. As of the time of this report, one question remains on everyone's lip. What caused the sudden death of Taiwo Adegbodu? Unfortunately, the family nor the twins or management have actually disclosed the circumstances surrounding his passing, but multiple sources confirm that details about the cause of the death may have been a brief illness, which we don't still know of. But as the story unfolds, I will update you guys if the family do speak out on it, but if they don't, it will probably just be the funeral. And as of the point of recording this video, there haven't been any confirmed dates for his funeral. It's just the announcement on social media. Another interesting thing to know is that the Adegbodu twins performed at the candlelight service for the late Bumi Akinonu in January, and now one of the brothers is late. Ever since December, they've been a dark force claiming the lives of popular Yoruba celebrities. We had the likes of Olo Ademola, Bumi Akinonu, even the Auntie Ajara, and now the Adegbodu twins. Like, what is really happening in the Yoruba entertainment industry? I'll leave you guys last moments of the late Taiwo Adegbodu with his brother Kehinde Adegbodu. I'll see you guys after the video clip.
Sọ̀kalẹ̀ wá, Ọlọ́run mi sọ̀kalẹ̀, Ọlọ́run mi sọ̀kalẹ̀ wá, Ọlọ́run mi sọ̀kalẹ̀ wá, Ọlọ́run mi sọ̀kalẹ̀, bàbá mi lójú tì wọ́n, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ, gbogbo ẹni tó bá mi jà, Ọlọ́run mi sọ̀kalẹ̀, Ọlọ́run mi sọ̀kalẹ̀ wá. Ọlọ́run mi sọ̀kalẹ̀ wá, Ọlọ́run mi sọ̀kalẹ̀. ìlérí àṣẹ mọ́ mi lára gbogbo ojú ni yóò rí èmi lọ́nà àbáyọ fúnra tó ń bọ̀ ẹ ó gbọ́ orúkọ mi. ìlérí àṣẹ mọ́ mi lára gbogbo ojú ni yóò rí èmi lọ́nà àbáyọ fúnra tó ń bọ̀ ẹ ó gbọ́ orúkọ mi. máa yọ mi ò máa ṣẹlẹ̀ yá má rí mi bí ẹni kò mọ̀ ṣe torí mo gbé kòkó yé ọ̀tá wa ń fẹ́ ẹnu ṣáátá ẹnu tí ìgbín yín fi bu òrìṣà yóò padà tí wàá fi gbolẹ̀ ìlérí àṣẹ mọ́ mi lára gbogbo ojú ni yóò rí èmi lọ́nà àbáyọ fúnra tó ń bọ̀ ẹ ó gbọ́ orúkọ mi. orí ti gbàgbé kòtò máa tó dá ìgbìmọ̀ orí ayọ̀ dání ẹ̀mọ́ ẹ̀ má pẹ̀lẹ́ gbéga mi. ìlérí àṣẹ mọ́ mi lára gbogbo ojú ni yóò rí èmi lọ́nà àbáyọ fúnra tó ń bọ̀ ẹ ó gbọ́ orúkọ mi.
The late Taiwo Adegbodu will be dearly missed, especially by his twin brother. I mean, twins are almost inseparable. I just hope people look over the twin brother so that he can survive this painful loss, because it's not easy for a twin to live without the other half. It's really, really hard. May his gentle soul rest in peace. I'll see you guys on another video. Bye for now.
Motiwa lẹ́nu ọ̀nà yẹ́kìlẹ̀ kùsì o.